What's up guys, Dave with Fixing for Fun. Today we're not fixing, we're making new. So I have a beautiful drop forged hatchet, and you know what it does not have? A protective sheath for the edge. So we're gonna make one today out of leather. This is a entry-level project that costs minimum money and anyone should be able to do it. So hopefully I can accomplish it. Let's find out. Let's get started. So here's an example of what we're making. We have a snap to keep it on, comes off, very basic, very simple, and easy. You can use any sort of a straight edge. I just had that piece of linear bearing laying there. Next thing we're going to do, figure out approximately where we want it to end up. Fold it over. You're just going to do this kind of by eye and feel. Put a little mark on it. Fold this over. Add a little bit. And then go in and out. Yep. We've got our first hole punched. Now what we're going to do is we're going to assemble it loosely so that we can keep adjusting as we need it, so we can make adjustments as needed. Let's see how she's shaping up. Okay, she's shaping up pretty good. So the tip is there, so we should put one right here. We're actually going to trim this about like that. Now we could just use the X-Acto knife, but I want to flex. There we go. Isn't that nice? Okay. Okay, so we put a little dab of Loctite on all of them. Just like that, we have a nice little sheath. There's only one thing left to do. We're going to take a little bit of open offs and put it on. It'll help condition the leather a little bit, protect it. Well, that turned out really nice. I really enjoyed that project. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Anyways, as always, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next video.